My name is Jim Hunt from MarineMax Naples, and I'm aboard the 2021 Chris Craft Catalina 30. Welcome aboard. Just wanted to walk through some of the great options on this beautiful trade that we have. She has twin 300 Yamaha engines with 120 hours on her. And then as you can tell the Flexi Teak swim deck in the back as well. What's nice is the Chris Crafts are beautifully appointed inside with the diamond stitching on all their seating. And on this vessel, she does have the port and starboard pull-out seating on either side. Back in the back here, you do have a built-in sink, beautiful teak door on top, and a live well built in as well. And you'll notice on the port side over here, you do have a port side refrigerator. As you move forward to the helm, you can tell she's beautifully appointed with the Garmin 12-inch screens. She also has the Optimus 360 joystick system for Yamaha, and also the Lenco trim tab system. You notice up at the helm, she actually is painted on the underside of the hardtop with the silver blue metallic, matching her hull sides to give her a really clean and nice look. You'll also notice at the helm that she does have air conditioning. This is on an inverter system, so it works phenomenal with no generator noise or smell after that. The Chris Crafts always do a great job. If you look, they'll see the teak accents all the way through the boat, and she is actually stereo is with the Fusion stereo system with an upgraded system in the subwoofers from there. As you move forward on the boat, you'll notice that they carry not only the diamond stitching on the upholstery going through, but also the Flexi Teak all the way across the bow to give you a nice grip as you're anchoring and moving from there. Very nice, well-rounded bow in there. Great sun lounger seating here as well to make it very comfortable for all your guests, and even the fender holders on the sides of the boat to really give you a good feel and make it easier when you're coming into the dock. I'm Jim Hunt with MarineMax Naples. Thank you for joining us.